Hello, Zachary. Thank you for sharing your elevator speech with us. I enjoyed seeing it. I wanted to talk to you about camera placement. It's very important to be sure that your camera, which would be your laptop, is at eye level. You need to be able to look directly into the camera when you're talking. Eye contact is one of our primary ways of connecting with the viewer. So if your laptop is too low, you're forced to look down to see your picture or to read or to do whatever. You're looking down, you're not looking into the camera lens. On the other hand, if your camera is too high, then you're forced to look up. So both of those are not optimal. And because we want you to have a presentation that has a degree of polish and will reflect well on your brand, um, camera placement is one of the basics that you need to be sure you get right. You can put your laptop on books or on a higher, sit on a lower chair, or do something to ensure that the camera lens is at eye level. Thanks for listening.